We are here at Poplar Gap Park. Hopefully you can see the beautiful sunset behind me. I'm going to show you the new site of the Buchanan County Combined High School that goes out to this trail here. And you can see where the school will be built at. Right now it's complete dirt road with little access via vehicle, but very accessible via trail. So we're going to go out through here and see the new site of the school. Okay, so this is the single path out to multiple trails that we will try and take you to see. We'll go right when we get up here to the crossroads. And there's a large number of gaswell roads, which I'll point out to you so you know not to take them. If you take them, they just dead end and you can kind of come on back. This route here, 40 green, which is easy, goes pretty far down, and we'll hit some of those trails on another day. It's a little tougher terrain, a little rockier, but for right now we're going to head out easily in this direction. To your left is a gaswell road. It just goes down and then dead ends. Straight ahead takes you to some longer trails. We will go out there one day and show you that it loops around from the site of where the new school will be. So if you're here and you go left, that'll take you out to some further trails, and I will take you out there and show you what those look like. They're pretty moderate. To the right is going to be a short loop. It's going to end in a residential area and take you to the site of the new combined Buchanan County High School. And I'll show you the site sign where it's at. It's a little rabbit. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening. Sunset is just a little bit away. Hopefully we can get some good footage. Up here it's beautiful around that time of day. Once we get a little further to the top, I'll do an overview shot where you can see some of the mountains. People come up here and they dump some of their trash. They use it as a dumping area, and they'll come up here and party in certain areas. Another small rabbit in the distance. There are a lot of coyotes in this area at night. I've seen and heard many coyotes that are very, very large. You have to be very careful. Have not seen a lot of bear, but they are around. Very nice neighborhood up top here on the gap. This whole area that you are seeing, that I'm doing a shot of, you can see Sykes way in the distance, or actually the Virginia Employment Commission now. To over through here will be the site of the new school. Let me show you where the sign will be at. The school will have some beautiful views up here of mountains in the distance. In the distance, you can see the athletic fields further down, as well as the Prater Fire Department. Here is the building site sign for the new school. Looks like it's took a topple due to the wind. And here is where the road turns back into pavement, circles back around, and does a complete loop. Once the school is complete, I'll come back and do a update video to show you the overlay and how things have changed. So I hope you've enjoyed this short trail walk. It's only about half a mile from the little spot out there that we started to the sign and back. So if you wanted to do a easy mile walk or jog, this would be a nice little trail for as long as it's available until they start construction on the school. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you back soon. Have a good day.